Kite Senior Care is endeavoring to bridge the gap by providing critical care setting at the comfort of the homes of the patient, which is the need of the hour and also a boon for patients requiring prolonged hospitalization. A typical critical care setting at home would consist of monitoring and closely observing the patient by highly qualified and trained nurses and supported by critical care specialists. There would be specialized equipments like monitors, oxygen cylinders, suction machines, IV fluid stands with drip controllers and ventilators depending on the requirement of the patients. There will also be emergency medications which are to be used in cases of emergencies. Terminally ill patients with cancer, patients with paralysis, patients on tracheostomy or head injury, and those requiring to be on ventilator. It is important to note that not all ICU cases can be managed at home. Initially, a thorough assessment of the patient condition is carried out at the hospital. Our physicians then discuss the case with the treating physician and the family. If the case is fit for care at home, then we make arrangements to set up the care environment at home, which includes equipments and trained staff. The patient is then monitored through a structured care plan continuously supervised by our physician team. The treating physician is kept informed of progress. There is one-on-one care to the patient. The nurse is exclusively looking after only this patient who is guided by a specialist team. The patient is being continuously monitored. There is better compliance to the recommended treatment and patient gets to be in the comfort of their home and around his family with no visitation restrictions. There is no chance of a hospital-acquired infections and the decreased noise or disturbance provides for better sleep patterns. Studies have shown that there was better recovery rate among these patients. Most importantly, this option of critical care at home reduces the financial burden substantially for the family. We at Kite Senior Care have a structured approach towards critical care in the comfort of your home. Our medical team, in discussion with the treating physician, creates a care plan which is implemented by the nursing team and continuously monitored to see the clinical progress. Our team helps in increasing treatment compliance, maintenance of personal hygiene, giving respite care to the family, raising alarms in case of emergencies and management of other medical emergencies. If you would like to know more, please write to us at hello@kiteseniorcare.com. We will be glad to share our experiences.